CleanLink is a software to manage a site-based business. It includes payroll, invoicing, the whole management system to run a business and to know what's going on. We are unique in that we're only concentrating at the present time on contract cleaning. Others have tailored it to be more towards contract cleaning, but they do other businesses as well.
We are the only UK-based HMRC-approved payroll provider that we've developed our own software, but it works on a site-by-site basis. Our unique selling point really is our software is truly integrated. If you have a system that is not truly integrated, you end up having to manage a large amount of data, large number of staff, large number of clients and sites. If you're keying that data in and trying to synchronize it between several systems, that's quite time consuming in itself. So with our software, all of it is based around a single database with a single set of client and staff data. So if you're taking on a new contract, you only key that data in once, and then you may need that to use that data for several different business functions, but it's there, it's already in, you've already done the job.
We listen to our customers and we will incorporate their ideas in our software if we think it will be beneficial for everybody. We were the first in with tablets and produce the software that's necessary for the future.
We have an award-winning mobile app that we developed in 2010. That's really helps the guys in the field manage their time effectively. It also eliminates the need for data entry twice. The beauty of our software is it's captured at source on site, and then once it's in the system, it's in the system. Nobody has to repeat anything.
We like to go above and beyond to try and help our customers. It's not just answering their question of how do I do this, not just saying yes, this is the one-stop answer. It's perhaps suggesting have you thought about doing X, Y and Z as the way to get to that end goal. Our software can be a game changer for our customers. They have gone from using perhaps multiple small packages that all have their own unique qualities, but nothing's integrated. They could have gone from using paper-based or Excel-based. It makes a huge difference that they've got it all in one place. At the end of the process, they can run a report to see the profitability of their individual sites. They can't get that with a lot of other packages that they're using.
We're a technology company. We understand technology and we put it to good use for ourselves. Our software really adds value. That makes the difference for our customers.